My name is Ligia David. I settled in USA from 1972 until now, and I'm getting old in USA. And I met Kondal Anumala Reddy through my nephew Raghutam Yerpula through his consulting firm. He was working for consulting firm with him. For some reason, with the bad terms, he quit from there and he decided to go for his own business, consulting business. So he approached me to have some money, and himself and his wife asked me to lend them some money. I felt pity on them and gave $58,500 so as a loan, and she requested that he will pay through payment plans, which he gave me some checks. They are bounced. Okay, as a result of that one, I filed a criminal case in the state of New Jersey Superior Court. So with that reason, and the judgment came against him, and they also issued a arrest warrant for this guy. And after that one, he left USA and moved to somewhere else. And until now, I'm not able to trace him out. And when he comes here, they will arrest him because of his criminal record and judgment against him. So right now, I want to bring it to your attention that he owes me $58,500 principal. If we calculate interest, that's a different figure, but that's the principal amount he owes me. And I appreciate the news media and the police commissioner getting involved. With this guy, he's campaigning for his brother. As a result of that one, I checked the news media, and I found him recently because of his campaigning for his brothers. And any political contestant should not have the criminal records, whether he's a campaigning person or contesting person should not have the criminal records. So I seek the Indian authority to help me to bring my money back, at least principal amount $58,500, and that's what I'm seeking. And if you want, I can show some proof. Okay, this is a judgment order. I can see that one, and okay, and this one, second page, and other one, two courts. Okay, this one, and also other papers. Okay. As a proof, I'm giving all the documents. So, this is the proof I'm giving all the documents, and this is the proof cost. And this is the docket number with the court orders. So these are other related matters, and some other documents that, and also he bought my this is a bill of sale that. Okay, this is a bill of sale, and this is the proof of postage paid for the certified check of the letters, and this is my attorney. Okay, was involved. Okay, this is the promissory note that Kondal signed. Okay, this is the payment plan that he wanted to do it, but the checks got bounced. This is another one payment. So that's it.